All right, so today we are here at Topaz Mountain hunting for rocks. We've actually found quite a bit of topaz, which I don't have on me. Oh, nope, I have another empty bag on me. But we found some cool ones. There's a cool crystal there. We've been using this INCLY pick rock set, and I just wanted to show you. So the bag itself has a couple pockets out here that we didn't use, but we do keep it clasped shut for hiking. An inner bag, and it has a few chisels like this. It had a bunch of trowels. I think we got these separately actually. This is the most valuable thing in the kit, is the actual pick rock hammer. We use that a lot. And what else have we got in here? Mostly just chisels, so it's different sizes. It has some gloves that came with it that we didn't use. We're so dirty. But a great kit. It was easy to just clasp it shut, throw it over your shoulder and hike with it. And so that was really nice, just to have something that wasn't too heavy. It was a little bit, but it was easy to just carry with us, and it helped a lot. So